Hello, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark and enable automatic switch and schedule it. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next we can enable or disable night light, adjust its temperature and schedule it. Then we can change wallpaper, enter home settings, where we can enable or disable notifications on dots, change layout display, customize app icons, app names, change icon size, change desktop mode between drawer and standard, enable or disable easy launcher, change folder thumbnail display, change application startup style between quick and comfortable, enable or disable app name length and layout lock, and also docked app. Then we can change charging animation, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable notification LED light between non, blink and brief, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, change display refresh rate between 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz. Then we can use screensaver, manage lock screen preferences like privacy, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show wallet and show device controls. In the end, we can hide notch. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.